Hey there. I didn't hear you come in. My name is Chef Ben Yakis, and I'm here today to teach you how to make artisanal, authentic, gourmet pizza bagels. After today, you'll never have to spend another dime on bagel bites. Because when pizza's on a bagel that you make, you can have pizza anytime. Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious pizza bagels at home using simple ingredients that you can get around your neighborhood. They're easy to make, filling, relatively cheap, and sure to blow the minds of all the people who said you couldn't even toast a bagel, because I believe in you. The first thing you're going to want to do is set up all of your ingredients and accoutrements before you start cooking. We have a plate of bagels, we have different kinds of cheeses, we have tomato sauce, and all of the different toppings and spices that you're going to use. We also have some very good friends here with us, including Nigel, the Good Luck Tiki doll, and whiskey. For laypersons like myself and perhaps you, it can be very intimidating. I find that the key to getting over some of that is to give yourself a little reward. So I like to give myself a little bit of whiskey. Now, the most important thing with the bagels is that you don't really want frozen bagels if you can help it. You want to go to your local bagel place and get some fresh bagels. Just the flavor is just so radically different like that. We're gonna cut our bagels and we're gonna spread them out on the sheet. You're gonna wanna take your olive oil and just sprinkle a tiny bit of olive oil on each of the bagels. The next thing you wanna do is you wanna take your tomato sauce. So what I do is I do a layer spreading out all along the bagels with the tomato sauces. Feel free to experiment a little bit. This should be fun. Put a little bit of cheese on, not too much. You don't wanna cover it up the way you covered it up with the tomato sauce. Try to slice the pepperoni as thin as you can. For the next layer, you're gonna put like a good amount of cheese. You wanna get a mix of the cheese. You wanna have a lot of different flavors going on here. To that, we get a drink. Now here's the big secret, the one that nobody wants you to know about. You take some Doritos, you crumple them up, and you use them like this, just like a spice. People are gonna say, what is this extra flavor that I'm tasting? It's just so vivacious. And you should just say it's a secret, but it's not a secret, it's Doritos. I'm gonna take this and put it in the oven. I think you deserve a reward. You want to make sure that the cheese on top is golden brown, but not burnt. It's so good. I'm not a great cook, but I know how to make some things. I know how to make some people happy, and you can be that too. Pizza bagels, they might not be pizza, they might not be bagels, but they're delicious. And you're gonna be happy with the results. Peace out. Goodbye. I should totally write like a little theme song. Da 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 da. Cooking with Ben. Oh yeah, we're cooking with Ben today. Something like that.